It's right there.
3, 2, 1, go! Where's everybody going?
Are they pre-deployed?
Yeah.
Yeah, they could be anywhere.
6 of them.
Yeah.
And they have no respawns. No lives, no medics.
I hear fire. I'm gonna swoop up to that in front of you.
Hey, shit.
That keep a lookout for IED. Oh, there you go.
There's somebody down there. Yeah, head.
Where?
We're all gonna die together. We are all clumped up.
Let's go somewhere.
Let's spread.
Going.
He went so far. He went so far.
No? I think he ran down that.
Right there, bro. Right there. They're pushing back. He's dead, he's dead. Are you dead, Chris, or no? Take it down. ID.
Okay, I got 2 down right here.
Alright, move left.
I'm gonna move to this big center one. Or you want to keep pushing left?
12, if laying down, he's dead, he's dead.
That's 4 right there. I thought he said they only had 6.
Yeah, there's 1 in the far back.
I'm moving this way.
Solid copy.
On me, on me.
Yo, they're respawning.
I thought they didn't have any respawns. I did too.
Medic him. Oh, you don't have no fucking rags.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, the medic him. I hope there's not a fucking ID right here, bro.
That fucked me up, bro. That was crazy. Fuck, we're both dead. Good shit.
Oh. Yeah. Hey, medic them. Both of them are down. Medic them.
Scoot over, scoot over, scoot over, scoot over.
I got the hit!
Tango down.
Yo, come revive us, dude.
Medic!
Medic!
We need 3 of them, 3 of them.
Tango down. Hey, all y'all down still? Y'all are all up? Nice. Shit. Don't fall on that.
I'm friendly, bro.
You're dead now. Sorry.
Friendly's on the board.
Friendly inside.
Friendly inside.
That was a friendly.
Got him?
Yeah. Ouch.
How many plates are going? Here. I've had 2 guys coming into the house.
AK high cap.
Good shit, brother. See the first class later, right?
Well, no, but I saw the pencil right.
Game over!
Is that the one that hit you right there?
Yeah.
And then there was a second one in it.
You got both of them.
Because of the second
shit.
one.
The second one got both of them.
The first one on the road would have stopped y'all, but we didn't go down the road. But no, somebody fucking didn't set it up right. I was like, God damn it. Oh, game over? Yeah.